Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Now, as I told you in previous class, I finished all the chapters from the textbook. Now, we'll start with grammar book. I had told you earlier only, in next class, I want everyone to keep the grammar book with you. Okay. So, today, let us start grammar 9th chapter. Okay. 9th chapter. Previous chapter I have finished till page number 40. That is till what I have finished. Chapter 8, pronouns, words used in place of nouns. Till pronouns I had done. Now today let us take adjectives. Lesson number 9, adjectives. So what are adjectives? In adjectives, describing words. Okay, an adjective is a describing word. So what is an adjective? Means adjective is a describing word, the word which describes the nouns and pronouns. So an adjective is a describing word. It describes nouns and pronouns. Adjective. Adjective is a describing Okay, adjective is a describing word. It describes nouns and pronouns. Now you all know what is noun and pronoun. Okay, now we all know what is noun and pronoun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animals and things. And pronoun is the word where we use instead of noun. In place of noun, where you repeatedly, instead of telling the noun, you are using the pronoun. So those pronoun words, and for both of these, this describing word, that is the adjective, is used. So what is adjective? Adjective is a describing word which is used to describe nouns and pronouns. Okay, children, adjective is a describing word. It describes nouns and pronouns. Nothing else. Nouns and pronouns. Anything, any place, any person. So this adjective describing word is used. It will describe about the noun still more and more, what it is, how it is, everything. So noun and pronoun. Adjective is a describing word. I want you all to remember this because this is the basic grammar. In higher classes, you need this, which is very important. Still advanced, you will be learning more and more in detail about these adjectives, everything. So first basic thing, if you know what is adjective, then later it will be easy for you to learn the higher things. Okay. Now, as I told you, adjective is a describing word. Now let us see how it describes. In what way it describes. Now read the following they have given. Open page 41. I'll write here. Page 41. Read the following. A sunny day. Sunny day. Sunny means, you can see in the picture, sunny day. They have highlighted sunny. So it is a day. Already you know it is day. And what day it is? Sunny day. That means it is describing the sun. You know, sun is a noun. Now, sun is a noun, you know. So, sunny means more hot. So, this adjective is describing. It is still explaining more about it, how the day is. A red apple. A red apple. Okay, now this is highlighted. Now you all know apple, it is noun. Okay, now how an apple you can write. Now what type of apple it is, whether it is red or green. So this red color, now this is adjective. Okay, so this is telling how the apple is. Apple is red color. So red is an adjective. It is describing. It is describing the apple. What I told, describing means telling more about that. So still now you know, oh, this is an apple. That's all. Now still you want to know in detail means it is a red apple. Okay, red apple. That means you know still something more about that apple, that it is red in color. The apple is very juicy. Juicy is also an adjective where it explains how the apple is, how much tasty, it is sweet. So any word which describes any one thing, that is noun or pronouns, which supports and tells more about that, then that word is an adjective. So here red is an adjective. A tall boy. Now boy is a noun. How he is boy? He is very tall. So it is describing the boy is very tall. A big elephant. Elephant is a noun and it is telling how the elephant is. It is big. So big is an adjective. A beautiful flower. Flower is a noun. How the flower is, and you can ask what color. A pink flower. So the flower is pink in color. Pink is an adjective here. Beautiful flower. So beautiful is an adjective. A long pencil. Pencil is a thing. It is a noun. And how the pencil is? Long. It is very long pencil. So long is an adjective. Okay, children, the words sunny, red, tall, big, beautiful, and long. All these are adjectives. Now, I hope you will be understanding when you are telling more about that, more about a person or a place or an animal or a thing. When you're describing, when you're telling it is like this, like that, then that word, what you use particularly, is known as an adjective. Now, based on this, they have given the exercises. Tick the adjective that suits the noun in the picture. Now, they have given the picture and next to that, they have given two options. Okay, so for that, which word suits, which adjective, which word is explaining more about that picture, you have to put tick mark for that. Okay, now let us start. I hope you all have understood what is adjective. Adjective is a describing word. The word which describes the noun and pronoun is known as the adjective. Okay, now let us start exercise. Okay, now I'll divide the board here. First main, tick, put that tick mark, I'll just write. Okay, so first one, they have given the picture of a policeman. So what are the options? Brave, scared. Now police people will be always brave, they are not scared. So the word brave is the correct adjective. So I'll write B-R-A-V-E, brave. Now second one. Here you can see the baby, new, cute. Newborn baby will not be crawling and all. So it is cute baby. So put tick mark for cute. Third one, dog picture, dog, they have given rich and faithful. So which adjective will explain the proper thing for dog? Dog is a faithful. It is very faithful. Okay. So I have to put tick mark for faithful. P-H-M-U-L. Faithful. Fourth one, 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. When you add 1 and 1, do you get 3? Right? Wrong. So, which is the correct one? Wrong. 1 plus 1 is 2, not 3. So, you have to put tick mark for wrong. That is the one word which explains properly. Fifth one. You can see the joker face here. Serious, funny. two options. In that, joker is always a funny face. So serious will not match for that. So for funny, you have to put tick mark. Sixth one, you can see the cat, smooth, rough. Cat will be always smooth, furry, very nice to touch, not rough. So put tick mark for smooth. Okay, children, now turn to next page. There you can see drums, two options, soft, loud. So drum sound will be always loud. Soft, you can't make it. So put tick mark for loud. Now next, eighth one. Straight, curved. You can see it is not straight, means like this, curved. So curved is the option. C-U-R-V-E-D. Curved. Ninth one. Colors. Colorful, bright. So there are different colors. So you should write colorful. Okay. Now copy down. Next main will start. Second main I'll start. Now second main. Choose a word to complete the following. Here in box they have given answers. You have to select from that and put it in the blank. Okay. These flowers smell dash. Now first I'll read out the options here what they have given. Quiet, tired, strong, great, comfortable, nice, sour, juicy. Okay. Lemons. Now first one here, these flowers smell dash. Lemons taste dash. He looks dash. The mangoes are dash. This chair is dash. Ashoka was a dash king. A dash wind blew. The class is dash. Now you have to fill properly. These flowers smell quiet, tired, strong. All this will not happen. So nice. So first one is nice. N-I-C-E, nice. I'm writing only the options, answers. Lemons taste. How the lemon will be sweet? No, sour. You feel sour. So answer is S-O-U-R, sour. Third one. He looks dash. He looks tired because the mangoes are here juicy. This chair is comfortable. Ashoka was a dash king, great king. A dash wind blew. A strong wind blew. The class is quiet. Okay. So the mangoes are. Third one. He looks tired. T-I-R-E-D. Tired is the correct answer. Fourth one. Fourth one, the mangoes are juicy, J-U-I-C-Y. Next. Fifth one, this chair is comfortable. This chair is comfortable. Sixth one, Ashoka was a great king, G-R-E-A-T, great king. Seventh one, a dash wind blew, strong wind blew, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Now next, eighth one, The class is quiet. 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 Okay. Now pop it down quickly, children. I'll rub this and next minute we'll start. Okay. Now let me erase this. Third main, choose the right adjective to fill in the blanks. Now here they have given the options and you have to select the correct adjective, correct answer and write in the blanks. Okay. Now I'll erase this side. Third main, choose. First one, can I have a clean plate? This plate is very dash, bad, ugly, dirty. So, dirty is the correct answer. So, I'll write only the answer for this. This plate is very dirty. Okay. Now, second one. Turn on the lights. It is very dash in here. Weak, dark, thin. Dark. It is very dark in here. It is very dark in here. I'll write only the second answer sentence. Okay. Third one. I'm going to buy some new shoes. These shoes are very dash. Sad, full, old. So you want to buy some things means newly. So previous one what it will be? It will be very old. These shoes are very old. Old. Fourth one. I don't want anything to eat. I am dash. Full, empty, strong. Full means my stomach is full. Empty means full, khali, nothing is there. Strong means you have eaten and nicely you have got the strength. So I don't want anything to eat. I am dash. That means I don't want still anything more to eat because my stomach is full. So full is the answer. I am dash. I am full. Fifth one. I don't like the man in the picture. He is so dash. Short, ugly, small. He is so ugly. Okay. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, remaining 5, you have to do as a homework. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Homework. Okay. Now remaining these sentences you do as a homework, you people do it so that you will come to know how to write the answers. Okay. Now I'll erase this. So today's your assignment will be this only, in grammar book only I'll be giving. So mark down their homework and write it. Okay, later. Now what I have written, copy down that. We'll start next main. That is fourth main will start. Copy down that. Okay. Now next is fourth main, write the opposites. Write the opposites of the words which they have given here. Now you can see the picture here. Two people, any things, everything they have given. So they have given one word, have to write opposite to that. That means how you write opposite, happy, sad. Instead of into mark, they have given or. Okay, first one I'll write here. Here you can see two girls. One hair is curly and another girl hair, what it is? It is full straight. So they have given you the clue also. Seeing the picture, you have to write down the answer. It is very easy. Curly or. See, instead of into, they have put or. Okay, dash. Curly or straight. Or AIGHT, straight. Okay, now second one, active, opposite of active, or lazy. LAZY. Third one, full. You can see the water is full. Or one more glass, what it is? Empty. EMPTY, empty. Fourth one, poor or rich. Opposite of poor, rich. Fifth one, light. It is lightweight or heavy. Okay. Sixth one, alive or opposite of alive, living. If they are not living, what they will tell for them? Dead. DEAD, dead. Okay. Seventh one, cooked or raw. Or AW, raw. Eighth one, cheap. Cheap means for less price. CHEAP, cheap or costly. COSTLY, costly. Ninth one, fat, far or near. Tenth one, white or black. Okay, now copy down this. Copy down this quickly. Okay. Now, next page, turn to next page, page number 44. Listen to your teacher as she reads these lessons. Okay, now what you have to do is, this next page, page number 44, is for your homework. Page 44. Fifth and sixth main. Okay. Fifth main, you have to read the paragraph. In that, you have to write the adjective words. You have to write down here. And next, sixth main is read the sentences. Okay. And circle the right answer. Read this sentence they have given about the pussy and the girl. And next, circle the right answer, which is the correct answer. Seeing that sentences, you have to circle here. Okay. This is my little pussy. Its fur is soft. It has two big eyes. When it sees a fat rat, it runs to catch it, but it is too small to catch the rat. So these are the sentences. Circle the right answer. That is the exercise they have given. Pussy is a little dog or cat. What is pussy? It is a cat. So this is very simple. You have to see the picture, see the sentences, and you have to circle or put tick mark for the correct answer in the bracket. Okay. It's very easy. That's why I have given for homework, children. Okay. Apart from this, nothing else. I'll give homework, no assignment. This itself is like assignment for you. This and previous two mains I have given 5 to continue and write down. No, that exercises you have to do that. Okay. Now I hope you have copied all this. Okay. Now by this I'll be ending up the class. This chapter is finished. In next class I will take down next chapter, that is lesson 9 finished, lesson 10, that is adjectives, degrees of comparison. In adjectives, degrees of comparison, how you compare using the adjective words. Now you have learned how you describe adjectives, describing words you have learned. So next you'll be learning adjectives in comparison, comparing to each other. Okay, those words you'll be learning. So till here I have finished. Next class we'll start with 10th chapter. Okay, children. Till then, see that you complete all your homework and learn nicely. Okay. Thank you, children. See you in next class.